Vikings came into this area, and we know this from ancient Irish annals, which tell of this Norwegian Viking called Ingemund, who came in with a party of Norwegians and also Danes into initially the Wirral area, and they spread across the Mersey to southwest Lancashire.
Right.
902 AD, that's
Wow.
right.
And you've got a picture of how they might have travelled.
That's right, they would have
across, haven't
come
you?
in ships not unlike this Viking longship here, which is known as the Serpent.
Right.
And they came in large numbers. We know that because of the large number of place names in the whole region, which have Scandinavian roots.
Right. And you've made some great discoveries, and I suppose the most exciting thing for you is the recent genetic survey you've been doing. Just tell me all about that.
Yeah, we've been involved with the team at Univeristy College London in looking for genetic types in this area which match so-called Viking types from Norway and Denmark, and the results seem very exciting indeed. It was initially focused on Wirral, but we found that the results from Wirral match very closely results from southwest Lancashire, but are very different from results for Wales, which have no Viking genes, and also mid-Cheshire. So it seems actually that Wirral people are very close to southwest Lancashire rather than the rest of Cheshire.
Right.
There's an old question answered.
Yes. And there's quite a lot of coincidences happening, and one of those, and is joint with a celebration, is the ferry in Birkenhead. That's going to be part of the celebrations. Tell me about that.
That's right. This year there's a new terminal being opened with the North Sea ferries, rather appropriately named, which runs a service to Ireland. And we're planning on doing something in March to jointly commemorate this occasion. But it's one of a number of events that are happening this year to commemorate the anniversary.
Right. And how about all the testings then? Does it all stop here, or are you going to continue to do
There's more testings. We want to go right back now to people who can say that their families go right back before 1800 into the area. Extending the presence survey, which we only asked for people who could say there were 2 generations from this area.
I suppose people are generally quite surprised. Are they showing a lot of interest and willing to help you?
Absolutely, yes. Yeah. And I think it's going to make an area which is already interesting even more interesting when we show how significant the Vikings were here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now there's a website address, isn't there? We'll put that address up on the screen now. But you're actually wanting suggestions from people, aren't you? Because you're saying earlier it's quite Wirral based, but you want to sort of explore, don't you, and expand?
That's right. If people can actually go onto the website, and there's a contact address for me there, and make suggestions as to what we could do from a Lancashire point of view besides a Wirral point of view, that'd be very much appreciated.
And as well as that, of course, you're an author, and there's the book that you've written, and you're working with a Norwegian author as well, aren't you?
Yeah, we've got 2 Viking books already out, Ingemund Saga and Wilderness Viking Heritage. We're doing one this year with Norwegians called Skaus Vikinga, which is very appropriate because Skaus comes from the Norwegian word lapskaus, which is estuary broth like our scouse. And there should be an English version of that book coming out later on this year as well.
Right. And you said earlier the author's an Everton fan, the Norwegian author.
He's an Everton fan. The publisher is a Liverpool fan. I'm a Tranmere Rovers fan. On the front cover will go a Tranmere Rovers picture because Tranmere is a Viking name.
Great, so lots of connections there.
Absolutely.
Well, hopefully you'll keep us updated anyway with the celebrations this year. But Steve Harding, very, very good thanks.
It's a pleasure. Thank you.